Okay. Length, mass, and capacity. So this is the repetition of last year's lesson. So I'll not take a lot of time in this one because I need to spend more time on other chapter that is new for you guys. So these are some popular units for length in the metric system, I mean, which is used in British systems and in Europe and mostly not in the American system. Okay. And this is capacity. You guys can hear me?
Yeah.
Yes.
And the last one is mass, you can say. Yes, good. We have small babies also in the chat learning mathematics. Okay. So
Yeah.
length, mass, and capacity. So length, see, there are two ways. Either you learn them 1 kilometer is this, or you remember through your life experience. Okay. That if someone tells you 1 kilometer contains how many meter, what is the relation between kilometer and meter?
1,000.
You know
1,000.
it, or you are living under a rock that you don't know.
No, we know it.
Yeah.
That you are living in inside your house and you don't go ever your house and you are not familiar with the world. You don't know what is kilometer, you don't know what is ml, you don't know what is kilogram. If this is your case, then
It's
you
a
have to
gram.
learn it. Otherwise, if you are like me, normal guy, so you can remember through your life experience that what that 1 kilometer is how many meters, 100 or 1000?
1,000.
1,000.
1,000.
1000 meter. Okay.
1,000.
Now 1 meter, what can you give me an example? What thing in your life or daily day-to-day life is 1 meter long?
The person height. The
Like your
person height.
classroom.
The person height, mister.
Classroom what? Height, width, or
classroom?
length, or
No.
what?
No,
Classroom?
classroom length.
No.
How?
Why?
No, it will
How?
be so small.
Like 5
Like you
meter
are-
classroom.
Mr.
Mr. the crouch. Your The height? crouch. Right.
What is crouch?
Couch.
What is it?
What
Couch. What couch? Couch. Crouch. Couch.
No, Mr.
Crouch is
You could
something.
have like a 20 meter classroom. You could have like 100-meter classroom.
100-meter classroom? That is known as football
100
ground. That is not classroom. That is
Yeah.
football ground. One.
No,
No.
even this class is bigger than the football ground.
See, if you have a guy, okay, that has a little bit of weight, and he spreads his hand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so you can say the distance from here generally to here. This will be 1 meter. Generally, I'm saying.
Yeah.
I'm just telling you to have a rough idea. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
This is generally 1 meter.
Okay.
1 meter. Okay. Or the step you take, like if you take a long step from here
Yeah.
to here, okay, this will be 1 meter roughly. Okay, what about centimeter? You have your ruler.
Centimeter?
You guys have your
Yeah.
ruler, right? In that
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can see in that you can see your ruler is either 6 centimeter or 12 centimeter,
Yeah.
right?
Like your pencil. You could check
My
your
pencil?
pencil. How long is it? Like you could take a ruler and check how long is the pencil.
Yes, but I mean, you know how much long is 1 centimeter or not?
We know it's so tiny.
Yeah.
How much tiny?
Like half the finger.
No.
Yes, you can say
Almost.
You can say
The
yes,
half the
almost.
finger is like about two and quarter.
2 or 3. Yeah.
Like
maybe.
you have ruler like this. You have
Yeah.
1 here, you have 2, you have 3.
2, 3.
So this this distance is 1 centimeter.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
And in 1 centimeter, how many further markings are there?
10 millimeter.
Yes, you can see small 10 further divisions, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you guys have ruler in
These
front
are-
of you? Quickly
No,
go
I
and
don't.
I
grab
can
it
go bring
quickly. In a minute, yes.
I'll
Quickly go and grab
bring
it.
it on.
Quickly, those of you who have, quickly bring it. And I'll download it from the net
Mister, I got it.
because I don't want to move.
See, Mister, I'm the fastest of all to bring the ruler.
Okay, amazing,
Yeah. I'm gonna take a hour.
amazing stuff.
I don't have, Mr.
Mister, in
Okay,
the first days of the school, in grade 7, they put a table, and
Yeah.
there's 3 cups. In the 3 cups, there's pens, pencils,
Pen
and
and
ruler.
pencil and the ruler. Yeah.
oh,
I get maybe 20 pins.
what?
Yeah.
What?
From there.
Yeah, Mister. 1 centimeter is like half of my finger. Or quarter.
Now see, this is a demonstration. This one ruler, yes. In India, we don't call it ruler. We call it what?
Inch.
What?
Lulu.
No.
Not Lulu. Not Lulu. We call it scale.
Oh,
Yeah,
scale. Okay.
scale.
In India, we
Scale.
call it scale. Yeah. Okay, so you can see that from here to here, this is 1 centimeter.
Yeah, 1 centimeter.
What about this line?
It's 1, 2, 3,
Three.
This is
3.
3.
4.
3
3.
centimeter. Yes. What about
Yeah, 5
the
plus 3 equal.
what about this?
2
2.
and a half. 2 and a half. 2 and a half.
Yeah. Two, one,
1 and a half.
1.5. Yeah, 1.5.
How?
If it will be
This
2.5, it will be till
This.
3.5. Like after 3.5.
See, from here to here, 1 inch.
Okay.
From here to here, half inch.
Yeah. How's your
See? Okay. But I think
Mister,
in
what is
this
more
chapter we
used
are
in
not
India? Inches
in
or
it.
centi?
Both, see, centimeter are used most popularly. But inches is also used. You cannot say inches is not at all used. No, it's used. Both are used. Okay, like height. If you ask me my height, any Indian or any Pakistani, you ask their height, he will never give you in centimeter. He will give you in feet. Because
Oh,
Yeah, like Americans.
we are used to this system for height. So if you ask me my height in centimeter, I need some time to calculate or convert. But if you ask me in feet, no, I'm telling you the reason. Okay, tell your Riyad, tell your height in feet.
I don't know.
So why? Everything
Me
why?
too.
Today is Friday, why? What is this? So
Mister, I think also Americans use feet.
no,
Yeah,
see,
always.
I'm not saying that we use all systems in of American system. In some aspects, we are using inches and feet. In some things, we are using centimeter and meter. Okay, like when we are calculating the height of a room or length of a room, we use both. We use feet also, we use centimeter also. Both are used. Height of people, we use only feet and inches. We don't use centimeter. I don't know why this is the system here. And when we are measuring the distance, it will be kilometer always. We will never use mile in our daily life.
Yeah,
And
like
even
us,
in our car, even in our car and bike, we have kilometer.
Yeah,
We
like
don't
us.
have miles in our cars. Okay, so kilometer contains how many meters?
At 1,000.
1000 meter. Okay, what about meter and centimeter? What is the relation
100.
between
100.
100
100?
centimeter
Okay.
is 1 meter.
Yes. And what about centimeter
10,
and mm?
10,
You
10,
can
10,
remember
10,
from
10.
this
10,
ruler.
10.
10.
Okay. What do you see here? There are 10 small divisions. My pen ink is so thick. I need to bring to lowest level one.
But Mister, why there is between 1 centimeter and the other from the millimeters, there is a millimeter like scale that is taller than every millimeter.
To count it easily for you, because that's the midpoint. This is the
Yeah,
midpoint.
like it's like 5.
Yes, 0.5. Yes, this is 0.5. This is 1.5. This is 2.5. Like this, for you to understand easily, quickly. Okay. What about, okay, now this is done.
Yeah.
What things
Yeah.
do we measure with kilometer?
How?
What things
What
in our
things?
daily life we calculate in
By
kilometers?
the car that's
The distance.
From
The distance
country to
of
country.
the distance between cities, you can say, not car.
Oh yeah.
Not car. We
the car
measure
that
no. You are not putting it correctly. You can say the distance between two cities. Okay. What about meter? What do we use
Yeah,
in
like
daily life?
رياض and dammam. Meter, like
Okay, what about meter?
A room, maybe.
length.
A room. Okay.
No, like how?
The length of
a length
a
of a
yeah,
person. A length of a person.
length of a person can also be put in meters.
Length of a couch.
The pool. Length of the pool.
Length
Yeah,
of
Like the furniture.
swimming. You mean swimming pool?
Yes.
The pool height, yes.
Okay. Okay. And what about centimeter?
To measure a pencil.
measure our
maybe.
centimeter.
Measure our
Pencil.
height. To measure
Pencil.
our
Yeah, pencil.
Height.
Pencil.
Height can
a
also be
pencil.
used in centimeter. So, but give me small examples. Like what?
Like pen, a phone, mister.
Like length of pen. Okay.
Yeah.
Eraser. Okay. What about mm?
To measure an ant. I don't know.
Mr.
And
water bottle.
bank cover.
No,
The
how
bank
it is? Water bottle.
Gum.
What?
Gum.
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 Yeah,
What gum?
gum.
Thickness, height, weight. What gum?
Length.
Like the length of a chewing gum.
Length of chewing gum. The width you can say in mm. The length will be in centimeter. I will give you one example. Oh, Doritos.
بالعافية. بالعافية.
For example, mm. You can say the length of
The missile has a
mosquito.
leg.
Mosquito.
Oh yeah, like a mosquito.
Or
Mister, are you writing something on the screen because it's not
I'm not
moving?
Yeah.
writing. I'm not writing
Yeah,
anything.
Okay.
Okay. Now, what about
Capacity.
ml?
Capacity. Like a measure of a bottle, water bottle.
Yes.
Water
yes.
Yeah, water
bottle.
bottle.
Yeah, water
Yes.
barrel. Yes. So
Water
Like
bottle.
300 milliliter.
So-
Like
so which
300
one is bigger? ml is bigger or liter is bigger?
Liter.
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 Liter. Liter is bigger. 1 liter contains how many ml?
1,000.
1000.
1000 or 100?
1,000.
100.
Yeah.
100.
I got one
How?
fish.
How?
I caught one fish.
How?
It is 1000 actually, not 100. Okay, 1000.
Okay.
For example, you have
Sir, I was
0.
better.
For example, you have 0.5 liter Pepsi.
Yeah.
It means
Okay.
500
How many ml?
500.
500.
500.
500 ml.
Ah,
Yes.
Divide by 1000.
Yes. Divide by 1000. You get this.
We remove the decimal like.
yeah, Mister.
No,
The
multiply
teacher
by
taught
1000.
us
Not
like
divide. Not divide by 1000. Multiply by 1000. You will multiply this by 1000. You will get 500. Okay.
Mister. In the school, the teacher taught us like if we want to make to get from the smaller to bigger, we will multiply.
Divide.
No, divide.
This I told you last year. I'm going
No.
to repeat
From
after I
big to
revise.
small,
I'll
divide.
tell you. I'll tell you.
Yeah,
I'll tell you. Now, what can we measure with gram?
Like
fruits.
Yeah.
Fruits?
No, fruit by
Okay,
kilo.
okay, but actually when we go to the
Strawberry,
market,
mister.
we use kilogram, yani, because
Yeah.
we use like 1 kg fruit or half kg. But okay, give me a specific answer that is only good for gram.
for measuring salt, sugar.
Okay,
Salt, sugar, yeah.
that's okay. Salt and sugar, we take some grams. Okay, now for kilogram,
Fruits.
No, a
fruit.
person. A
What
person
else?
mass. A
A
person.
person, mister.
A person.
Okay.
And for
And when
example,
you go to gym, you have
Yeah,
something
yeah.
like this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
What
yeah.
is the name of
Yeah.
this?
dog bone.
Big one.
Uh,
What's the one?
Dog bone?
Yeah, it look like dog bone.
dog bone.
When you go
No,
to the
it's
gym,
Hadid.
you see something
Hadid.
like this. This is known as dumbbell.
Lifters, mister.
اثنين ضربك حديد.
Dumbbell.
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 Dumbo. Dumbo.
Dumbbell.
Ton by the car, the weight of the car.
Now
Ton.
ton.
Like mister,
Mass of the
Maybe
car,
80
mass of the car.
Now ton.
Mass of a car.
AC.
Mass of car.
An airplane or something really
a
heavy.
car, mister.
Car. Okay. Elephant.
The first
AC.
one is car.
Airplane.
Well. Giraffe.
Dinner table, mister.
What?
Dinner table.
Dinner
A
table
massive
is very
house.
light. Dinner table is very light. It's not 1000 kgs. If you're talking about bakara cow like this, they are very heavy. Not your the dinner table. Okay.
بقرة.
Okay. Now which one? Okay. Now 1 gram contains how many kg?
10 1000 1000
1,000.
Listen to my
1000.
question. Listen to my
1000.
question. 1 gram contains how many kg?
1000.
0.01.
See, Adnan is only listening. Others are just guessing. My question was 1 gram contains how many kg? So the answer is 1 over 1000.
Yeah.
0.001.
Yeah, because
Or 0.001
we
or
divided
1
by
over
1000.
1000.
Yeah.
Okay.
But 0.001 is more better for me.
Whichever
No, one.
you remember, that's okay. And what about kg and ton? What is the relation between kg and ton?
1000. 1000.
1000 what? What is equivalent to 1000 of what? Tell me.
1000 kg, it's equal
1,000
to
kg.
Like one
One
ton.
ton equal 1000
1 ton
Yes,
equal
yes.
1000 kg.
So for example, there is
And
a very big, for example, there is a very big truck, okay,
Yeah.
on the road, and the weight of that truck is 14.3 ton. So what is the weight in kg?
the
14,000.
decimal.
yeah, 14,300
300.
kg.
Adnan is very fast today. Everyone
14.
say mashallah.
Yep.
14,300 kg. Now I will connect my board because now you guys must be laughing off from my handwriting, from my mouth.
No, it's but
Yeah,
the why? What's
No,
that
no,
one?
mister.
Okay. So now we will go to consolidated sheet directly. Okay. And before that, okay, let me connect my board.
The why mister was taller than Qais.
Muhammad Amir, you are gone now. Bye bye. We will
No, no.
first of all, let me close the gate so no one can enter when I kick them out. Okay, everyone, people in my only me safe. Yes, now trying to kick out some guys. Okay, where is this guy? Where is this guy? Where is this guy? Here is this. So his mic is gone. Someone else wants to get disabled mic, please. Marhaban. Okay, so my board is connected now, and I saw some square and cube questions, like 1 mm square is equal to what, or 1 meter cube is what. Okay, so I bring that first because that thing scares many students, right or not?
That of course is
Then
me.
I have a question.
Like for example, these questions. Many students are
No,
scared.
it's easy. It's easy.
It's not easy.
It's
For
easy.
few it might be easy, but for many it's not that easy. Okay,
I forgot it too.
huh?
Answer 500 cm2.
No, not cm2.
Okay.
It's centimeter square. You
Square,
say,
yeah.
but your answer is wrong. Now let me tell you how to solve these type of questions. Okay. Now, if someone was asking you 5 meter,
I know.
I know what. I didn't ask you a question yet. What do you understand from 5 meter? Listen to the whole question first. Now, my question is, for example, if they asked us 5 meter contains how many centimeter, then what will be your answer?
500.
500. Okay. You multiply by 100, you get this one. Okay, before that, I'll write you the thing that you are telling, that when you convert from big unit to small unit, okay,
Divide.
you multiply, not
Yeah.
divide,
From
you
small to
multiply.
big, divide.
You multiply. Oh, for example, when you convert meter to centimeter, 5 meter,
Yeah.
will you multiply by 100 or divide by 100?
Multiply.
That's what I'm saying. When you go
Okay.
from bigger to smaller, you multiply. So you guys have to write this one in your notebook. And when you go from small to big,
Divide.
you divide.
But Mister, we
Yeah.
want to know the number we should multiply.
I told you. You already know from here. Okay, before going, see, I'll ask you some questions without power, without square and without cube. For example, I ask you 1 kilometer contains how many mm? Now, this question is tricky. Why? Because see, where is mm? Here. Where is kilometer?
Mister, I know.
It will be 1 million, Mister. 1 million I think.
No, let me tell you. See, kilometer is here and mm is
100
here.
million.
So see, now I want silence in the class. Now I am asking 1 kilometer contains how many mm? Now between kilometer and mm there are multiple steps.
Yes.
Yeah.
This one,
1,000.
this one, and this
100.
one. So we have to write the conversion factor first. So kilometer to meter we multiply by what?
1,000.
Okay. For
And then
meter to
100.
centimeter?
100.
100.
100.
Then
10.
10. If we take all the
10.
zeros, it will
How
be
many
1 million.
zeros are there?
6. It will be
1, 2,
million.
3, 4, 5, 6. Yani 1 million, right?
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
means,
1 million. 1 million.
yes, that means 1 kilometer contains how many mm?
1 million.
1 million. That I said,
Did-
Mister.
1 million.
Yes,
Mister,
that you said, but I need to explain to everyone also, right?
can we write 10 to the power 6?
Yes, yes, we can write 10 to the power
Yeah,
6 also. That will be totally correct. That is also good. Okay. So you can write it like this also. Okay. What if I ask you 2 kilometers contain how many centimeter? Abdullah Hamza, give me your answer. Abdullah Hamza, are you there?
Can I
No,
answer?
Mr.
Mister,
Second answer.
Ahmed
Riyal.
Fuad, can I answer?
Riyal.
Second answer.
Riyal.
Where did Abdullah Hamza go? He was there with us.
I don't know.
Maybe his internet is bad.
Maybe he go bathroom.
Ah, no one asking you. Yusuf,
No.
try this one.
Okay. So it'll be 10 10,000 or what?
No.
Kilometer.
Mister.
Focus on
Mr.
this one and this one. How many zeros are involved? Only Yusuf.
It's 5.
5 zeros. That means what? 100,000.
Yeah. Oh,
So 100,000 will be multiplied by what?
It will be 200,000, Mister.
by 2, so it'll be 200.
So Riyad, you have to wait for your chance, right?
Yeah.
Otherwise, if you will talk in between, then how will you get chance? So 200,000 will be the answer, centimeter. Is everyone getting, or people are wondering
Yeah.
what is happening?
Yeah.
What is happening in the class?
No, I
Okay.
get
I understand.
What about I take the opposite way. For example, I tell you 2, 1, 5, 1, 3, 9
What?
mm
Can I
is
solve? Can I solve?
how many meters?
Can I
Okay,
solve?
Muhammad
Can
Ali.
I? Can I?
Divide by.
Okay, I'll solve. From mm to meters, it will be like 10, 10. It will be 10 and 100. So it will be 3 zeros. So it will be 215.139.
Yeah, I like that.
Let's
Yes.
check his answer. Mm to
Yeah.
meter. We are going backwards now. For example, mm to meter here, right? We are going how many zeros?
3.
3.
3 zeros. Division or multiplication?
Division,
Division.
because we take the opposite.
Yes.
Because we are going from smaller to bigger, so
Yeah.
we will do division. Now, how do we divide? We divide from the right hand side.
By the
We
zeros,
shift-
mister.
Yes,
Yeah.
we start shifting the decimal, not zero. We start shifting the decimal. Now,
Yeah.
how many decimals we need to shift? 3 steps. Because
No, you have
two
to
from
shift
here,
4.
one from what 4?
No, because
What
there's
4?
4. No, 3 zeros. Okay.
There are 3 zeros.
Yeah.
Riyad is interrupting too much today. 1, 2, and 3. So his answer was correct. The answer is 205.15.139. So his answer was correct. Okay.
Yeah.
Now Badr is there?
Yes.
Okay. What about? Badr, ready?
Yes. Mister, you kicked me.
I'm not kicking anyone. I'm giving you question.
Okay.
Badr, tell me. This one is how many ton?
How much time?
Yes.
Okay.
All other students, please try to solve quietly in your notebook. Okay, please try to write it on your notebook quietly and watch out for your answers at last. Yes, so you guys can also practice at the same time. Yes, Badr, I'm waiting.
Okay.
Mister, from gram to what?
Ton.
Oh, sorry, I did
Okay.
not mention. Yes, 10.
We will do 6 zeros. It will be. We will do a divide.
That's the thing I want to check. You will divide or multiply. That's I want to check you. Are we going from what is gram and what is ton? Are we going from small to big or big to small?
We are going from small to big.
Okay, so when we go from small to big, watch.
It will be divide.
What did I tell you here?
Divide.
Divide. Okay. Okay, so now you know. Now try and give me the answer. Where is the decimal in this number? Do you see any decimal here?
No.
No. When we don't see decimal, where do we assume it? At the extreme right.
Yeah.
Okay. So here is our
We
decimal.
do 1, 2, 3.
Now we will
4,
shift.
5, 6.
So what will be the final answer? Tell me.
0 point
0 point.
0, 2, 0, 3, 3.
Other students,
Yeah.
is it correct?
Yeah, it's correct, mister.
Yes.
Yes. His answer is correct. Very good, because we will shift left 1, 2, 3,
6
then
times
4,
because
5,
there's
6.
3 zeros.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good. So I hope this is like revision of last year, and it's like pretty simple. It's
Yeah,
easy.
so easy.
Yeah.
Only you have to remember that this conversion factor. This is known as conversion factor. Okay. I will write the name. So if in future I ask you what is the conversion factor, so you guys should not dream, oh, what is this? You did not tell us before. Is this a new word? Okay. What is this? Conversion factor wala conversation factor. Ha ha ha. What is this? Conversion factor. Okay, not conversation factor. Okay, what about here? I did not mention.
Yeah,
When you go from liter to milliliter, you
a
multiply by
1,000.
1,000.
Okay.
Easy.
Yes,
Now,
but the opposite
okay.
way is divided 1,000.
Yeah.
Yes, opposite, you know. Okay. Now let's go to the square and the cube things.
Yeah, that's how.
Now look, my fish. For example, we have 3 meters square and they are asking centimeter square. Okay. Now tell me, what is the conversion factor from normal meter to normal centimeter?
I can see.
What is the conversion factor from meter to centimeter?
We multiply, I think, by
Multiply
100. 100.
Multiply by 100. Okay.
Yeah.
This is
Could
the
be.
normal.
Yeah.
Now, no interruption now. Now it's my explanation time. Now watch. The normal conversion between meter and centimeter is what? Multiply by 100. But this question is dealing with square. Yes? So
Yeah,
what are you
that's
going to do? This square will also get carried on the conversion factor. I repeat, since this question is involving square, okay, so this square will also appear where? On what?
conversion factor.
Conversion factor. Say the whole class, say it one more time. Conversion factor.
Conversion factor.
Conversion factor.
Conversion
Conversion
factor.
factor.
Okay, now what will happen? Look, 100 square. What is 100 square? 200?
No.
10,000. 100,000.
100 multiplied by 100. That means what?
1 million.
10,000.
1
10,000.
million. 10,000. 10,000, huh? Then this 10,000 will be multiplied by 3. You will get 30,000, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Very tasty Snickers. Okay, so this will be the final answer, okay?
Okay.
Did you get it or confusing?
Yeah.
Easy.
Yeah, easy. Okay, I'll give you a hard one now. Tell me.
No.
What about?
I will
What
answer. I
about?
will answer. I will
Ah,
answer.
ah,
I will
ah, ah,
answer.
ah, ah. Now, what about 2.5 meter cube
Okay.
goes? Let's take it, make it centimeter cube. I want also
Why?
Snickers. 2.5 centimeter cube is converted
I will say it right.
mm cube now. Everyone
Why
write in
am
your notebook. What YMM?
Okay.
My choice?
Okay,
My
okay,
choice?
okay. No, I know,
My
I know. Okay,
choice?
okay.
My
No problem,
choice?
Mr. Slay. Okay. Okay, Mr.
What
The answer
why?
will be 2.05
I'm not asking.
millimeter.
I'm
You're not
giving
asking?
time. I'm not asking directly. I'm giving you like 10 seconds, 15 seconds to think, and everyone write the answer in your notebook. Then I will ask, let's see who is online. It's my guest. You are still our guest, huh? How many days? Guest is only for 3 days. You are here for 3 weeks. Now you are not guest. Now you are a house member here. Okay. Adnan, Ahmad Fuad, Amir, Qadar. Mu'taz joined lately. Okay. Osama joined. Osama is since starting.
My answer was wrong at the beginning. I think a bit.
Oh, Ahmad Hassan. Al-Hamad. Hi.
Wow, since when? We can't hear you.
And Adam is also there, but he's hardly speaking.
Mister, he
No, I'm here.
he unmuted his mic, but
I
he
know you
can't
are here.
talk.
Did you solve, Adam? Did you solve this in your notebook?
I solved it.
Adam, tell the answer for this question. Mister, now I cannot hear you. Mister, now at this moment my internet started lagging, huh? And when he will give the answer, the internet will be very good now. After
Yes, the internet is like it's against him or in his.
Okay, I'll give the agent the opportunity to solve this question.
Okay.
Okay.
Our top
So,
secret agent, yes.
So centimeter to millimeter is multiplied by 10. So we're going to do 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10.
Yani cube.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Which will give us what?
Which is going to be 1000.
Multiplication of what? 100 or
Multiplication
10,000 or 10,000 or what?
multiplication of 1000. Yes.
1,000. Okay. So what will be the final answer?
2500.
No.
500. Yes. Correct.
Yes.
Mr. How is it?
Check.
Yeah,
Let's
because
check.
the
Let's
zero.
check.
No,
2.5
I
and
removed the
then
decimal.
30.
No.
1, 2,
No.
3. So correct.
Yeah.
2500.
Yeah.
What? No, Muhammad Ali.
That's correct.
This is correct. This is absolutely correct.
How,
How?
Mr.
No, did you understand this 1,000
No,
from where it came?
I didn't understand.
Okay. What is the general conversion factor between centimeter and mm?
10.
10. Okay. But what is the power in this question?
3.
3.
Cube.
So 10 cube. 10, 10 to the power 3. So 10 to the power 3 is what?
10 to the power 3 is 1000.
1,000. So you just multiply this by 1,000, you will get 2,500. As simple as that.
Just?
I think his
Yes,
question
that's-
how we remove the decimal. I think.
Okay.
Okay, I will tell you, Yani, if you have 2.5, how do you multiply by 1,000? You shift decimal where? In the right side or in the left side?
Right.
In the right side, 3 times. 1,
So the thing that confused me is the power 3.
3.
3. Yeah.
No problem. See, don't
Mr.
get
Can I
confused.
ask
Don't
a
get
question?
confused with the power. Whatever power is there, just apply it on the conversion factor. As simple as that.
Mr.
Hmm.
I have a question.
Hmm.
Can it be like negative 2.5 centimeter? I know that may sound stupid.
No,
No,
it's not
generally, see, length we take as positive. Okay, unless you are dealing on a graph paper. On graph paper, on the left side, we take negative, right? But in real life, length is a what? Is a length of
Positive.
something. So it will be counted
You can just give me a negative
as
length.
as a
life.
positive thing. Okay. Now let's come to the exercises. Now 5 meters square. How many centimeters square?
Can I say?
Yes, Ismail. Go ahead, sir.
Okay. It will be 50,000.
50,000. Let me check it.
50,000.
Now meter and centimeter. What is the normal factor between them? 100 times
100,
multiplication,
yeah.
right?
Multiply
It
100.
is not always multiplication. So you guys have to pay attention. Are we going bigger to smaller or smaller to bigger?
Yeah,
So the normal factor is 100. But
Yeah.
is there a power in this question?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, there is.
100 times 100 power 2.
100 power 2. That means it will
So
give us
10,000.
10,000.
10,000. Okay.
10,000.
So 10,000
Okay,
multiplied by
five-
5 will give
50,000.
50,000. Yes.
Yeah. Easy. No, not really.
But Mr. Why we didn't remove the power from centimeter?
Yeah.
Because we finished by it.
Why we did not remove?
The
Because
power.
see, when meter is converted to smaller unit, it becomes centimeter. But
Yeah.
if meter by meter, meter square is what? Meter multiplied by meter is converted. So this became centimeter and this became centimeter. But they are still in multiplication relation. So centimeter multiplied by centimeter will give you what? Centimeter power
Centimeter square. Yes.
square.
Okay, now
Mr.
understand.
Can
Did
I
you
have number 2?
not Adnan. I want new students now. I mean,
Muhammad
who
Ali.
did
Riyadh.
not answer so far?
Riyadh.
Like Osama. Osama, go
like
for
Muhammad.
it. Osama. Muhammad. So many Muhammads in the class. Which
Ali,
Muhammad?
Ali.
Osama, try this one.
Yes, Mr. Question.
Yes.
Which question?
B.
Question B.
Your name is already mentioned.
Okay. 2.3 kilometer. We need to make it into meter. It's 2.3 kilometer square. So we need to multiply.
Okay.
Multiply
By what?
by 1,000.
But is
1,000.
there a power?
Yes, square. So 1000 multiply 1000 will be 100,000. So
Yes.
it will be
How much? No.
Mister, how
100,
100,000?
1000 square is 1
Yeah.
million, not 100,000. Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
I
yes,
I
yes.
say
Osama,
like
you
how?
missed. Osama, you missed a zero. You missed a zero.
Yeah.
See? Because
Like
3 zeros and
and
3
3 zeros.
zeros will
So
give
we
us
1
6
million.
zeros, which is what?
Yeah.
1 million,
1
not
million.
100,000. Osama, where are you? Venak.
Mr. Or we can write 10 power to 9 صح؟ لا not
10
10
to the
power
power
No,
what?
10 to power
10 to
6.
the power 6.
6.
10 to the power
6.
6, you can say.
yes, yes, Mister. I am back.
You're back? Okay. So we were discussing
Internet.
what? Internet? Okay. So what we were discussing that 2.3 multiplied by 1 million. So what will you get? Take 2.3 and shift 6 decimal right side. So
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many blank this?
23,000.
This.
5.
So 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yes.
5 zeros in front of 23. So that will be our final answer. Now I will write it. I will write 23. I write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And are you guys making commas or not? Please make sure you mention commas. Okay.
Wait,
Why we
Mister,
make commas?
can we
Because it is
spell the answer?
easy for us to read the big number. Otherwise, if I give you, how will you read it? It unless you make commas, it will be very hard for you, right? But if I give you this comma,
It's 17,000.
not 17,000, it's 1,712,319. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Ahmad Fuad.
I was about to say something, then I just realized, like, what if you put the spaces between like the numbers, like 2 space, 300 space? Does that count?
Then
No,
why not?
not
Why not?
this.
Why not? Why not put a bone, dog bone in here? Nice suggestion. Why not put a bone here? Might be good smell of this number, and
No, there is not.
might put a skull in front. Huh? Creativity.
Oh, it's
New
nice
version.
X.
Anyways. Okay, let me see who is online.
Riyadh is online.
Yes,
Abdullah Hamza is also online. Abdullah Hamza, now you cannot escape.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, internet lagging now.
No.
So try this question. C part.
Number C.
Hmm.
Equal.
Take care, huh? This question is not very easy.
Easy.
No, it's easy.
Yeah.
Equal.
No, other
700
students, please write your answer in your notebook. Okay? Please write answer in your notebook. Yes, Abdullah Hamza. Yes, try.
700,000 centimeter cube.
700,000.
Yes.
This is your final answer, huh? Now explain.
Yes.
How did you get this?
We make 0.7 multiply 1000.
Yeah, I think it's
What?
correct.
0.7 multiplied by 1,000.
Yes.
So you will get this.
Yes.
How?
No.
No. This is not the explanation. From where did you get 1,000?
Because in the cube, not like in the square. In the cube, from meter to centimeter, 1000.
Who said that?
How?
I did not explain like this. I said, first of all, think of the normal factor. I mean the normal conversion factor. Just ignore 3 for a second. Okay? Ignore
Okay.
3 for a second. What is the conversion factor between meter and centimeter?
Multiply by 100.
Multiply by 100. Now bring
Yes.
back the power. Okay, now bring back the power. So you
Okay.
told me multiply by 100 was the normal factor.
Yes.
Okay, but
Yes.
now do we see a power in the question? Yes, we see
Yes,
3.
we see.
So now this 3 will come here. This is the thing that I told you. I did not tell you 1000. Did you understand the point?
Okay, I understand.
Now explain the
But-
whole thing. How did we
but-
get this? Now listen, Riyadh, wait. Yes, Abdullah Hamza, how explain? What did I tell you?
Because here the normal factor it's from meter to centimeter multiplied by 100.
Okay,
And
okay.
here we have the power 3.
Yes.
It will become now multiply 100 power 3.
Yes, very good. Now you will expand this, and what will you get? 100 power 3 is how much? 100
And
times
100
100 times 100. How many
equal
zeros?
Mr.
1 million.
Yes.
Yes, and when you multiply, you will get this answer that you gave
Yes.
me. But your explanation was not correct. But your answer was correct. I don't know how.
Mr.
Yeah.
In question F, like they have spaces between the numbers. You can look. In question F, like the millimeter cube, you can see like there are spaces.
I'll put a bone. Very tasty bone.
So the answer will
Like I
be
can read it
70,000.
as well, it just meant like it's
Mister,
correct.
the final answer of
No, this
Abdullah Hamza
question,
is correct.
this question will go to our agent because 7 is here. But in the meanwhile, this question
Can I answer this?
will be given by Badr.
After it, me,
Then
please,
next
Mister.
Adnan. After that, Adnan.
Oh,
C 70,000 or 700,000?
7 million. Which one? Oh, C, 700,000. Yes.
Mr. Me?
Yes, this is correct. Yes, Badr, go for it. Badr, then
Yeah.
Adnan, then who is this AG? Agent. Sorry, agent. AG
Ahmed
in
Wadid.
chemistry. In chemistry, what is AG? Who can tell me?
Wait,
chemistry.
I think it's an element like argon. Argon, I think.
Argon.
Argon.
Mr.
Oh, silver.
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 Yeah, silver.
Silver.
Wait, it's gold. It's gold.
Silver. Totally not from Google. Mr. Silver. Totally not from Google.
Mr.
Yes, Badr.
Maybe
Give me the answer.
25 multiply 10.
9.25? Not 25. 25. 9.25. Then multiply by what?
10.
Multiply by 10? Really?
Yeah.
How? What is the normal factor between kilometer and meter? The answer will be very huge
Yeah.
because you have kilometer and meter, and then you have cube power, so it will be very big. Badr, where are you?
Yes,
Mr.
Mr.
I'm waiting.
Can I answer if you couldn't answer?
Let's wait for him.
Okay.
1 kilometer contains how many meters? No discussion with Adnan.
Mister, he's not with me. He's in another room.
Oh, another room. Okay.
They are
Okay.
rich, Mister.
You are also rich. You have FIFA 23 on the next day of release. You are not poor.
100 meter.
Yeah, he's very rich.
So, and Riyadh is the capital of Saudi. So why will he not be rich? He will be
No,
very rich.
It's hard.
Definitely capital city. Yes. Yes.
100 meter.
Okay, kilometer is what? 100 meter. Badr, what
10,
happened?
10, 10.
Any other student?
Me, Muhammad Ali, أكيد.
Mr. Me.
Muhammad Ali, go for it.
Okay.
Yusuf, wait.
Okay.
Yusuf, wait. Muhammad Ali, go for
So
it.
from kilometers to meter is 1,000. So 1,000
Okay.
multiply 1,000 multiply 1,000
Multiply 1000, multiply
Wait, so it's 9
Yes.
zeros. 9 zeros mean
1, 2,
like
3, 4.
100 million.
Okay, 9 zeros. Yani
Yeah.
is billion. So 9.25, you will do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Yes,
7, 8,
yes,
9.
yes.
Oh,
It will be 9 شخطة
1, 2,
250 comma
3,
0
4,
0 0
5,
comma
6,
0 0
7,
0.
9, 2,
8,
5,
9.
7, 7,
Mister, 9,
yani
2,
how many
5,
zero? 1, 2,
0,
3,
0,
4,
Mister,
5, 6,
One,
it
7.
will
2,
be
7
3, 4,
9.
zeros.
5, 6,
Seven
7 zeros,
7
7
zeros.
zeros, 7
Yeah,
zeros.
9
Yes,
Mister,
comma
yes,
250
yes.
comma
Mister,
0 0 0 comma
Mister,
0
Wait,
0
wait.
0.
Yes.
what's this?
M3.
What's this number name? Give me the name of the number, Mister.
Billion
That
or
number.
three?
I will read it. Okay. I will read it. Okay. We will put a comma, and comma. So this group is 1000 group. This group is million group. This group is billion group. Okay.
Right.
So how we read it? We call it 9 billion
Billion.
and 250 million. We call it like this. Or
And
in one line,
25
9.25 billion. Khalas, in one line. If you want to say in one line,
Yeah.
9.25 billion. Khalas. But if you want to explain in billion and million and thousand, you will say 9 billion and 250 million. Clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
And what will be the unit? What will be the unit?
Square. Cube.
Meter cube.
Meter cube. Yes. Now,
Meter.
Adnan, go for the
It just
this one.
takes time.
This is
What?
tricky, Mister.
42.
He is tricky.
No, easy.
42?
Yes.
No,
He already solved it in the background. See?
Mister, not
He already solved it.
0.42. Not 0.42.
No, I just wrote his answer. Now I will check whether his answer was correct or not. Now,
I
what
put
is
from
the general
big-
factor from centimeter
Divide.
to meter?
100.
Divide by what?
Correct.
Hundred.
By
10
100.
power 2.
But we have a
10
power
power
in
2.
this question. So
Yeah,
100
two.
square. Yani divide by what? 10,000. Sah?
10,000. Yeah.
10,000. Easy.
It will be
42.
42.
So,
42.
so
Yes.
10,000. Let's take 1, 2, 3, 4. 42. Yes.
Yeah,
Good. He already solved it. He
In
already
the
solved
background.
it. In the background.
Yes.
Yes.
خلف الكواليس.
Okay.
Now
Now,
Ahmed solved it. Now Ahmed solved it.
now Ahmed already solved it or not? Let's see.
I think.
Yes.
Yes, now
That's
Here's
silver
divide.
told. Yes,
Tell
silver.
me. Server is busy?
Okay. Bismillah.
Too
Yes.
much traffic?
Because I'm AJ, I'm going to
Ping.
call me silver now.
Ping 500.
I wish it was 500. It's
There.
1,000.
There. Is there?
Yes.
Okay. So, Bismillah. So because we're going to divide by from millimeters to meters, we'll divide by 1,000.
Okay. So far, so good.
Okay. Then we're
Okay.
going 1,000 square. So we're going to do 1,000 multiply 1,000, which is
Which will
1
give
million.
us how much? 1 million. Stop.
Yeah.
So that means 30 gone, 30 gone. What do we
Yeah,
have?
7.
7 meters square.
Oh.
Mister, all questions
okay.
easy except Badr's question.
No,
took
it's
time.
easy. It's easy, Mister.
It takes out of time
So-
because of the zeros.
But
Yes.
the zeros, yeah, the zeros it's give a
That's
headache.
why, see, I'm revising you because these questions I already did last year. But that's why I'm revising
Yeah.
because this is not new. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's why I hope now that students are understanding how to go for these type of questions, right?
Right.
So for this, you have to, what are the things that you have to remember for doing these type of concepts? First, you have to think, are we going small to big or big to small? Okay, this is the one thing that you have to know. What is the second thing?
The
Conversion
units of centimeter and
Conversion.
factor. You have
Yes.
to pay attention. And what is the third thing that you have to pay attention? Power.
power.
Okay, so if
The
you
most-
mess up with smaller to big or bigger to big, you are gone. If you mess up with conversion factor, you are gone. If you miss their power, you are gone. So all the three things
Yeah.
are very, very important. You can note it down if you think it is important. Note down that you have to pay attention on three things for these conversion type of questions. First one, smaller to big or bigger to small. Second one, conversion factor. And the third one is power or exponent. So I prefer if you guys can write it down, that will be helpful, inshallah.
Mister, I'll take a picture. Try to take a picture and send in the group. Or
See,
no?
what I believe you can take screenshot, no problem, but you will not read it after today. I know. But if you write it,
Why?
maybe you will read it sometime. What? Why?
Oh,
You everything you
oh,
have why?
I know. I always say why.
Everything why? Teacher will tell you next week we have exams. Why? We have kusuf. We have khusuf. Why?
Teacher,
Everything
yes.
why?
Mister,
Why?
teacher, when the teacher say there's exam, he say why.
No, I
Yes.
didn't. No, I don't. I don't.
Yeah. He said
Mr.
like that,
Sida,
Mister.
what's up?
Okay.
Mr. Sida,
Now
what's
I'll
up?
go to the consolidation exercise.
Mister will not take the new chapter today.
Wait, mister. We went
No,
to the console.
I wanted to revise. I wanted to revise this chapter also. Okay, so I think it will not be good if I take a new chapter without going through
So
revision.
tomorrow it will be the new chapter.
If hopefully, inshallah, we are doing so many consolidation questions, then we can start new lesson, chapter 5 tomorrow, inshallah. Okay.
Okay.
Mr. Can you see
So
what's up?
wait. Now I'll bring. Where is the? Oh, you have Miles. You have Miles also. Not Miles
Yeah,
Morales. I
Miles.
mean Spider-Man.
Yeah.
We have miles and kilometer in exercise 4G.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
No problem.
0.625 and 1.6.
Yeah.
See. Which one is bigger, 1 kilometer or 1 mile?
1 mile.
Mine is bigger. Mine is bigger.
1 kilometer is bigger or 1 mile
No,
is bigger?
mile is bigger.
Mine.
1 mile is bigger. Okay. How much?
From mile to
Yani 1 mile contains how many kilometers? 10,
1 mile
100,
equals
1,000,
1.6.
1.6.
1.6, Mister. 1.6.
No, 0.625.
No.
1.6.
1
1 mile
1.6
equals
اسماعيل مضيع
what?
اسماعيل.
is generally 1.6
and there.
kilometer.
Yes.
Okay.
Mr.
Yes.
1.6 or 8 over 5.
1 kilometer equal
Okay, you can write it 8 over
0.625.
5. You can write 1 over 6. It's the same thing.
Yeah,
If you
Mr.
divide,
Let's do
if you do this,
But Mister, in the school, the miss write it, but we didn't use it. 8 over 5.
Yeah. Especially not the decimals.
you'll get the same thing. Okay. So you can use 1.6 also. You can use 8 over 5 also. No problem. Okay.
Mister, I think this is the last thing in chapter 4,
Yeah.
And
right?
this is the hardest. This is the
And
hardest.
yesterday we take this. Yesterday.
Yeah, it's so easy.
Last year we had so many imperial units of length, of mass, of capacity. That's why it was so tough. This time in imperial, I mean in the American system, we have only miles, no ounce and pint and gallon, because that makes too much of stuff. So it's not included this time. So I think that's good for you guys.
Mister, there's no be a gallon like that.
There is no imperial units for everything. They have only given some. Only one, I think. Only mile and kilometer. That's all. Because that you have to remember in your daily life also.
Yeah. By using cup.
Because sometimes if you watch some American shows, they will use mile. Or if you are watching sports, like their car sports or something, they will use mile. So if you know mile and kilometer conversion, you can understand what are they talking.
Mister,
But if you mister. Yes. Talk when I talk. Yes, mister.
1 kilometer equal 0.625 miles.
Yeah, we know.
Okay, that's the reciprocal of 1.6. Okay, this is the second screenshot of consolidation. And I'll give you some questions so you can solve, and then I'll be back because my Salah is waiting.
Okay, so which question are we going to do? Question.
Mister, Mr. Will we do in a full hour? We'll do only this lesson
Yes.
because I need to go soon.
Yes, I prefer we start a new lesson tomorrow. Okay, not today. So, do we have more questions? No. Okay, so this is the consolidated sheet. That is consolidation exercise, I mean. Okay, 8 questions are given. Now write in centimeter. You have to write this. Okay, so I'll be back in few moments, most probably 10 minutes, inshallah. Okay, and you guys have to do all of the questions. Start
Okay,
from
easy,
A
easy.
one, but numbering has to be there. Okay, write question number exercise 4, question number 1A, and then all the parts, then B all the parts, C all the parts. Okay, then go for question 2, 3, 4, 5. Is everything visible clearly, or should I
لا
shift
good.
some?
Everything good, everything good,
Zoom out.
everything good.
Zoom south.
Okay, so you can see all the questions. Okay, so now
Yes.
I'll be back and you guys have to solve in the notebook. Okay, and when I return, inshallah, I will be giving all the solutions, inshallah.
Okay, okay, Mr.
Okay.
Okay, so please start solving in your notebook neatly. Write today's date. Write exercise 4 consolidation sheet or consolidation only. Exercise 4 consolidation sheet. Exercise 5 consolidation sheet. Exercise 6 consolidation sheet. Exercise 7 consolidation sheet. Exercise 8 consolidation sheet. Exercise 9 consolidation sheet. I have net issues. Okay. Okay, so these are the questions from the consolidation exercise. So write your date, write exercise name, write question numbers, and start solving. And I'll be back in moments, inshallah. Bye bye. Done.
Yeah,
Oh,
Mr. But there is in
you
two
done.
and three. The C is the we didn't talk it. We didn't take it.
Yes. Okay. So let me sequence is still remaining. Okay. There are some guys remaining. Okay. So write in centimeters. So that means you have to remember between meter and centimeter what is the conversion factor, and then you will use that. You will get 500 centimeter. Yes. 28 meter, 2800 meter centimeter. Yes.
Two. Yeah.
Like this. Kilometer. So you have to remember from
120.
kilometer. From
120.
kilometer to meter, you have 1000. From meter to centimeter, you have 100. So 100 and 1000. That means
It will picture 100,000.
10,000. So
Yeah.
1,
Then
2, 3,
300.
1, 3, 4, 5, 0, 0. 1, 3, 4, 5, 0, 0.
Oh,
Yes?
this.
Okay. So write in meter, this all you can do. Write in grams, this all you can do. D you can do.
Yeah, but C in 2 and 3, C is غريب عجيب.
Now question number 2. Question number 2, write in ml. So you have to remember one more thing, that 1 centimeter cube and 1 ml, they are equal in capacity. What? 1
Capacity.
1 meter cube, I will write it here. I will write it here. 1 meter, 1 centimeter cube. Did I say meter cube? If I said
Yes.
meter cube, that was wrong. 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 ml in capacity. Make it clearly.
How?
Write it clear. Write it clearly. Write it clearly in your notebooks.
And Mr. 1 centimeter
Because,
cube.
because, for example, you create a cube, very small cube. You know dice.
Yeah,
Yes.
What is dice?
that one that have numbers.
Yes.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay. So dice. If you take a dice that is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter here, and 1 centimeter here, and 1 centimeter here. Okay, what will happen? This dice, what will be the volume of this dice?
3 centimeter. 3 centimeter
Wow.
a cube.
Wow.
كيوب 3 سنتي لا صح 3 سنتيمتر كيوب لا 1 سنتيمتر كيوب 1 لا 1 صح 1 سنتيمتر كيوب
The
yeah
volume will be 1 centimeter cube. Okay. And
yeah
now if you have, and if for example this is hollow from inside, okay, you put water, little bit water. Okay, how much water will go? 1 ml water will go. You have to remember like this.
okay طب how many 1 centimeter cube equal how many liter
So if 1 centimeter cube is making 1 ml, and what is your target? Your target is 1000 ml, because that is 1 liter. So if you are multiplying this by 1000, you should multiply this also by 1000. You will get this.
Mr. you mean the up is the liter not millimeter ولا
Where is liter? There is no liter. I told you. I told you milliliter here, milliliter here. I mean what? Look, this is one here. This is one, and this is one. Did you get it? Just consider
yeah
like this, that if you have a dice which can contain water, okay, so the dice is so small, right? 1 centimeter dice, very, very small. So if you have a 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter cube, you put water inside it. How much water will go inside?
1 milliliter
1 milliliter. That's why we say that 1 milliliter for water is same as 1 centimeter cube. Okay, so this question here, what will be the answer of this one? 2a.
5,300.
Is it 52,000 milliliter?
Okay, what about next?
The I think would be 2,300. Yeah, 200,
Not
230,000.
not 23,000, Adnan.
230,000.
230,000, because we will
Yes.
multiply by 1,000. Now here we have centimeter cube, and centimeter cube is same as ml, so 52 ml. That's the answer.
Yes.
Okay, centimeter cube and ml are what? Similar
Yeah.
in volume, so
But
you can
Mr.
replace them.
Why we will not write in milliliter to the power 3?
Because I explained to you here.
Yeah, but
How much water will go inside? 1 millimeter water, 1 milliliter water will go inside, or 1 milliliter cube water will go?
1 milliliter.
Only, because
Yeah.
see, these powers are only in length. In length only we have these powers, square and cube.
Wow.
But in capacity and mass, we don't have square. We don't have kilogram square.
Okay.
Okay? We don't have liter square. No, it doesn't work like that. We have square and cube in what? In length only.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear.
Yes.
Yes.
Clear.
So, what about question number 3C?
It will be 0.28, then 40, but the last one is
3C.
10,000.
Who else can answer? 3C.
3C.
Except Ismail and Adnan. Who else is there?
Mr. Amir, he's unmuted.
No one wants to answer? Okay. So Ismail, try this one.
Yes, can I try?
Okay, brother, try.
This is Osama.
Go, Osama.
3,000.
Okay.
Yes, 3,000 centimeter square. You said
It's
1
not
centimeter
square. It's
square.
not square. It's not square. It's cube.
Sorry, cube. 1 centimeter cube is like milliliter. So
Yes.
think of it as milliliter. So it'll be 3 liters square. 3 liters only.
Yes, because yes, his answer is correct, because 3,000 centimeter cube, in a way
3,000
we can write it
milliliter.
3,000 ml, and 3,000 ml when you convert back to liter, you will get
It will
3.
be 3.
Okay, so 3 liter will be the final answer. Clear?
Answer.
Yes.
3
Yes.
liter, like this. But how will you do in the exam? For example, you have to write the steps, and I am the teacher. How will you give the steps? You will write 1
3,000.
centimeter cube is actually 1 ml. Okay, in the exam you have to do like this. Don't just write the answer 3L and come back home happily. I got full. I will get 20 out of 20. No. Okay. You have to write the conversion factor. You are converting whatever. For example, you are converting 2.85 kilometer square to meter square. Okay. So what are you going to do? You are going to write both of the conversions, the normal conversion as well as the power conversion, like this.
Yes,
Okay?
yes.
You will write the common conversion, then you will write 1 kilometer square is what? 1,000 square meter square. Are you guys getting my point?
Yeah, yeah.
So you have to write these steps in the exam. Otherwise, if you will just write the answer, how do the teacher know that you did it by yourself or you got it from someone else? Okay.
Yeah.
So you have to write these steps properly. Clear? Okay.
Clear.
Moving on to question number 4, I guess.
Yeah.
Sure, this part and you'll finish.
Again.
this part and we will finish.
This part and we'll finish. You mean this
Yes,
exercise?
yes, no, 4 and 5 and you will finish.
We have here also screenshot.
Ah, I don't see it.
Okay, that's why I'm rushing. I'm not solving each and every question that are easy. I'm just solving the tough ones. Now, question number 4. A piece of wood is 3.1 meter long. Okay, 3.1 meter long. You have a wooden piece. Okay, and a 38 centimeter length is cut from it. Okay,
Okay.
38 centimeter is removed. So how much is remaining?
Now we should define it in centimeters, so we will convert the 3.1
We'll
meter
convert it to meter.
centimeters. It will be 310, 310 minus 38
Yeah.
will be 272 centimeters.
Yes, that's the
Yes.
most important thing. If you want to subtract meter and centimeter, you cannot do it unless you convert them to a common unit. Okay, so it's
Yes.
easy for us to convert meter to centimeter because it involves multiplication.
Multiply
Okay,
by 100.
And Mr. They
by
ask us to
100.
count it in
So you
centimeters.
will get 310, and
Minus
they're asking you in centimeter also. That's good. So they're
Yeah.
asking in centimeter to convert 310 minus 38. What will you get?
272 centimeters.
yes. Correct.
Correct. Okay, correct.
Correct.
272 centimeter. Abdullah Hamza, did you get this point?
No, teacher, the sound was lagging.
I'm not lagging, huh? The total length of wooden piece is 3.1 meter.
Yes, okay.
Okay. Out of which we cut this part, 38
Okay.
centimeter. Okay. Now how much is remaining? How will we find?
We will
You
make
cannot do.
Yes.
We will make 310. Why?
Why?
Because see, this is meter and this
Yes.
is centimeter. So you
Ah,
cannot subtract them unless you convert them to centimeter.
okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
3.1, when you convert, you will get 310. Then you will subtract, you will get 272. Okay.
Okay.
Now question
Okay.
number 5 is very easy.
Yeah,
The
it's very
conversion
easy.
of square, square, cube, cube, square, cube, square. So this can be done. Okay. So I'll not go through all of them. A bottle of water contains 300 ml. How many liters of water are there in 6 of these bottles?
Mr. Now we will make thing يعني توقعات.
For example, this is 300 ml bottle. Okay, there is how much water inside?
300. So
200
300.
ml.
milliliter.
300 ml. And how many bottles are like this?
6. So it will be
So what is
1,800.
the total?
Liter.
How many liter? How many?
1
How
liter
many?
and 800 milliliter.
How
1,800.
many liter?
1,800.
Mr. 1 liter and
No,
800
give
milliliter.
the answer in liter. I don't want in ml.
Yeah, this is liter in 1 liter and 800 milliliter.
1.8 liter.
1.8. Oh, Ismail, what are you telling me? You are telling me 1 liter and 800 ml. That is okay, but you have to give me the answer in liter only.
Okay.
Okay. So in your exam, how you are going to do? You will write there 1 bottle is 300 ml. Okay.
Yes.
So 6 bottles is equal to 6 into 300, which is 1800 ml. Okay. And 1800 ml, when you convert, you have to divide by 1000. So you will get 1.8 liters. So you guys, please note down these steps. You have to write like this in the exam. Don't just go and write 1.8 and then expect full marks. Okay. Note down these quickly. Quickly note down this.
Okay, done.
Mr. Y, no one is talking, only me and Ismail.
That's good.
Yeah. height of your classroom?
Now the estimate the height of your classroom.
Mr. Me, I got Mr. Me, I write 20 meter
20 meter.
or 10 meter.
No,
I
it's
think
like
8
3
or
or
9.
4 meter. 3 or 4 meter only. 4 meter approximately, you can say. Okay, what is the sign for approximately? You do like this.
Yeah.
Approximately 4 meter. Okay, what about the next one?
5 centimeter, 10 centimeter,
4 centimeter 3.
and 5 centimeter or 10 centimeter.
Mister, I think about 7 or 3 centimeter.
7, 7.
And maybe see maybe 500 milliliter.
So length of your pencil approximately you can say 10 centimeter or 12 centimeter, something like that.
Mr. C,
Something.
500 milliliter.
Capacity of the drink you had for breakfast 500 ml. Wow.
Yeah, milliliter.
How?
If I'm taking milk in a cup, or it maybe it's like 250 or 300 ml. 500 ml will be too much in my stomach. Half
Half a
bottle.
liter, mister.
Half
Half
liter
of
is too much.
15 gram, 10 gram.
The mass
9
of your
grams.
pen, like some grams, yes, like 50 or maybe I don't know, like maybe 50 grams, maybe. Okay. Now the last one is also very easy. When you go
Yeah.
from, okay, but I did not mention the conversion here. I will tell you, when you go from kilometer
Mile.
to miles,
We will multiply 0.625
okay, multiply by 5 over 8.
or 0.625. صح?
Or 1.6.
No, not 1.6.
0.625.
When you go from miles to kilometer,
Multiply
you
by
multiply by 8 over 5, reciprocal. Okay. Now let's take one example. Don't ask me why here. Just learn it. Why for everything. Now, 32 kilometer. We are converting kilometer to miles, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now look, where is kilometer to miles? Kilometer to miles. Multiply by what? 5 over 8.
8.
So what I will do? 32 multiply 5 over 8. Can I simplify 8 and 32?
Yeah. It will be 16 and
What
16.
16?
4.
What 16?
Yeah,
What
4.
16?
4.
20 is
4.
the
4.
answer.
Yeah, 4.
20 is the answer. Now next one. 10 miles.
It will be 16 kilometer.
16. Okay. Good. Next. 120.
75. 75.
120 multiplied by 5 over 8.
This is 5.
8.
This is 6.
15. 75. Yes, 75.
And last one, 192 kilometer.
192 kilometer.
192.
I'll check.
Miller. Miller.
Miller.
120.
Mirror.
Huh? 192. Yes. So that's the end of today's class. Okay. And inshallah, tomorrow we will start chapter 5. Okay. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam.